3, 4.
Hello again. Phil Coulter wrote this beautiful, moving classic, Scorn Not His Simplicity, about his son Paul, who was born with Down syndrome. And it has been recorded by several people, probably most famously associated with the great Luke Kelly. I'm playing the song in the key of C. This is the same key that Luke Kelly sings the song in, if you want to play along with the recording. Not many chords. In the chorus in the verse we've just got 3 chords. C major, D minor, and G major. In the chorus then we've got 2 additional chords, and we've got a really distinctive chord sequence here that you have to get right really, and that's A minor, and the F minor chord is. What I'm doing there is fretting strings, barring strings 1, 2 and 3 on fret 1 with my first finger. Flatten out your first finger, and I'm also fretting the 4th and 5th strings on fret 3 here with my 3rd and 4th fingers. Now if you can play the full F minor chord, full bar chord, which means fretting all strings, 6th string and the bottom 3 strings with your finger 1 here like this, by all means feel free to use that one. For this lesson I'm just using the 5-string version. I'm using a very simple finger picking pattern here to accompany this song. It's in 4/4 time, 1 and slow 4/4 time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and what I'm doing is for the C chord, with my thumb I'm picking the root note, which in this case is the 5th string, this 3rd fret here, that note is C. So that's the root note of the chord C, and we're playing 1 and 2 and. So picking the root note with my thumb, that's 1, up pick then with my 2nd finger on the 2nd string, and up pick with my 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2, and then up pick with my 3rd finger on the 1st string. So that's half of the bar, 1 and 2 and. To finish the bar then, my thumb this time I'm going to pick an alternative bass just for variety. I could stay on that as follows: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. But instead, for beat 3, I am picking an alternate bass here, which is the 4th string. So instead of picking the 5th string with my thumb, I'm picking the 4th string as follows: 3 and 4 and. My fingers repeat that pattern right through. Second string, third string, first string. So the full bar for this chord of C major: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. For the D minor chord, same picking pattern, is just a matter of which is the root note for my thumb. And the root note this time is the 4th string, because that note is D. That's the root note for the D minor chord. 1 and 2 and. And for the alternative bass for the beat 3, it's the 5th string this time. So the full bar: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And when I play the G chord, the root note this time is the 6th string, because that note that we're fretting on the 3rd fret, that note is G, the root note for the G chord. And my alternate bass this time is the 4th string for beat 3. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And if you have 2 bars, you just repeat that for the second bar: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So there are your chords for the verse. And the chorus then, we've got A minor. A minor chord, the root note is the 5th string, that note is A. And we're going to alternate this with the, like the C chord, with the between the 5th and the 4th for my thumb, for 1 and 3 beats. 1, 3, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And the other chord then is the F minor chord, and I'm playing it like this. The root note this time is here on the 4th string, because that note I'm fretting with my pinky, that note is F. And I alternate that with the 5th string for the 3 beat. So full bar: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Check out my website, getcrackingguitar.com, for lessons on lots and lots of songs and tunes, ballads and folk songs and other songs popular in Ireland.
3, 4.